Radu Popescu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bundle Java Runtime in MSI installers for Java application. Under Resources, navigate to Java Products. Make sure setting is selected. By default, you can see that Source has no bundles. Click on Add JRE bundle. Then select the platform, 32-bit or 64-bit. In my case, I don't have any 32-bit, that's why I go for the 64-bit. It automatically detected the version installed on my machine. If you want, you can change the destination folder in your application. Now, let's go to Files and Folders and see how it applied in our package. There it is. Add the rest of your files, save and build your project.